heads the digital marketing team at the Jobaaj Group. And I'm thankful for you to joining this call and so taking out your time and sharing few words about Jobaaj Group. So before we start, I just want to know a little bit about from your background. Okay, so from where you're born and brought up, and from where you have done your studies till high school, and what you've done in your graduation, which course, if you can elaborate more on that part, be really great.
Yeah, sure. So I'm Nikhil Vijay Bansode. I have done my engineering from ISIPAT College of Engineering, which is in Navi, Mumbai. I have done my engineering in IT. When my specialization was IT, and I have successfully got like a first class, more than first class, like some so
Okay,
in my BEIT. Uh, I am currently I'm working as a data analyst in a startup that's
okay,
a medical field, medical domain,
okay.
and that's it, sir.
Okay, so you born and brought up in Mumbai itself?
Mumbai, yeah.
Okay, 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 nice, nice. All right. So Nikhil, since you have taken the data analyst course and right now you're also working in the data analyst domain,
Mhm.
right? So you have done engineering, then what actually took you to go into the data? There were multiple fields you could have gone in development part as well. So can you just tell me like what actually felt inside you that okay, yes, I want to choose data analytics only.
Yeah, actually, to be honest, the initial days of my career, like when I started my first job, I was in customer support team in an edtech platform. The name of the platform was Topper. You might know it was a Baiju's competitor. It
Hmm.
was an edtech giant. So later it was acquired by Byju's. So over there I was in customer support team, and apart from my customer support tasks, I used to do some another thing as well, like creating and granting access to our employees. So I got data on a daily basis, of new joiners, and in that data the designation also mentioned. So as the data was with me, so I used to call them, and just because I want to explore their to know more about, I was curious to know more about their uh, task and difficulty which they are facing in their job profile. So I used to connect with multiple people and of multiple profiles,
Right.
and tester, software developer, manager, team leaders, and VPs as well. Software testers, quality analysts, and I found out there was one profile which was data analyst as well. So I was quite good with handling data. The creative part is also mentioned here, like you need to be creative here for creating
Yeah.
dashboards and rest of the team. So I came to know like my interests are more aligned with this profile. So then I decided like I need to switch my career from CS, that is customer support, to DA, data analyst. And
Okay.
as I was doing side by side my engineering as well, so I was eligible to do so, being from an IT background, and having a quite good knowledge about tools, technologies, and also have a creative mind. So I thought like I can give it a try, and yes, I'm good with
Oh,
this.
all right. Okay, so this is how your journey getting into the data started, right? Okay.
Yeah, from customer support to data analyst.
Uh, okay. So, when we talk about the data index, there's a lot of from the mindset from the students when they think about the profile that in the data analytics they'll be having a lot of data and they should be analyzing that data and they should be representing it in some pictorial way or like in some graphs or something. So, is it the same thing or
Yeah.
what do you feel? What is actually one has to do in the data analytics job profile?
Okay. So Harshit sir, like here, what you said is right. But apart from that, there is some another process as well. That's a tedious process of data cleaning, and
Okay,
I think very rare or rarely it is. We talk about this, the data cleaning.
cleaning of data, yeah.
clinic part. The rest of the thing that you have to do visualization, you have to create dashboards, and rest of the things
Mm-hmm.
are okay. But the tedious work here, which nobody talks about, that is the data cleaning part.
Data cleaning part. Okay. So is
And if
it?
you're good with it, if you are good with the extraction part and the data
Uh-huh.
cleaning,
Okay.
then you are good to go.
Okay. Okay. So is it like in the
Please
data?
go ahead, sir.
Okay. So is it like data you need to have a compulsory like Excel and be very proficient with Excel, or just like Power BI or Tableau, they will do the work?
Yes, Hashish, I do agree. Like, you have to be quite good with Excel, but there are rest of the tool as well. Like,
Okay.
if I talk about myself personally, like,
Uh-huh.
Excel is okay, but in a startup or in in our
Mhm.
organization, we basically work on Google Sheet, and
Google Sheet.
because
Okay.
it's a real time synchronization, most of our organization, like, you can work it in your inside your domain only, right? Like, the
Okay.
domain which your organization can
Understood.
give you. So Google Sheet is also good to go, and like, majorly we are using Google Sheet only. For
Okay.
Power BI, like, as I told, like, I'm from startup company, like I'm in a
Uh-huh.
startup company, so Power BI will cost you some amount.
Some
So
amount.
we have some alternative, like, for example, we have Google Data Studio. So over there you can try some trial and testing. You can have a
Mhm.
hands-on experience on Google Data Studio, which is
Correct.
Looker Data
Correct.
Studio.
Correct.
Okay,
Locus Studio.
so yeah, so that is also an alternative if we are working in a startup. And if you have a basic knowledge, like what your client or senior needs on his dashboard, what they want to visualize, your stakeholder want to visualize, then if you are like have that creativity, then you can make your dashboard on any another tool as well, like Tableau or Power BI.
Right, right. Okay. Understood. Understood. Because what I've seen in my career, that a lot of people are scared to go in data analytics because they feel like, I have to do a lot of Excel work, and I should be having good knowledge of Excel. So a lot of people uh, pull their hands out, like while going into this field. So that's good to hear that a lot of people who will see this video will actually, understand that it's not that compulsory you need to be completely pro in the Excel. So that's a good part. So apart from that, how do you like about the Joba Learnings program when the Rakshit sir, the mentor, or like how actually the mentor was with you, like what type of assignments you were getting, all those things, the complete process. Like, can you tell me like how long was the process from getting the job till the time you like took the course?
Right. So, Shisha, I want to add one point here, like, in the Excel part, you have told like there you need to be proficient with the Excel. So,
Mm,
see, we are human, we can't remember each and every
exactly,
formula. There are
exactly.
some basic formula, there are some advanced, there are so there are like tons of formula in Excel only, and which
Mm,
are good because they keeps it updating, like updates in every of their version. And
okay,
we can take a help of internet uh, to get the formula. You can use some tools to know like which formula can be used in this situation. So actually you shouldn't be have that fear in your mind that you need to keep all the thousands of formula, tons of formula in your mind. So
understood.
that's what I will suggest to anyone who is trying to get into this field, and stopping himself or herself for because of this formula part. And
Right.
as far as your Jobas part is concerned, sir, I'm thankful to Jobas because like like I have paid 1 month of my that salary
Mm-hmm.
from myself to get this course.
Well,
And
well,
while doing this course, I was side by side enrolling on some another job portal, and I got job from there. So and if you talk about the guidance of our mentor, Shiva sir was my mentor, and like he's very friendly guy. When I attended his lectures, his seminar, which he used to take late night, so he handled each and every query in such a polite way with calm mind. He addressed every candidate, every student in very what we can say peaceful manner. If
Peaceful
he will
manner.
clear your silly or silliest doubt in very good manner. He won't scold you like this is a basic thing, can't you understand? Like
Right.
we used to get scolded in our school or colleges if you are
Uh-huh.
not like if you are unable to remember any formula in math or anything like that. So Shia sir is not like that. He will definitely
Right.
help you. He will assist you. Also, he's more active on LinkedIn, and also he's respond to your message on Discord ka group. So if you talk about mentors, so they are very good with their services.
Understood. Understood. Okay. Okay. So overall, the journey was really smooth for you to getting the job. So right now, can you just name about like which company you are working right now? It's a healthcare based company, as you have already told.
Yeah, it's a startup.
It's a startup. Okay. So would you suggest like people to like, initial phases, should they join a startup company or they should be just directly looking for a,
Yeah. What I will suggest, yeah. So Harshit sir, so sorry to interrupt you in between.
yeah, yeah.
Actually, there was some connection issue. That's why I started to speak. So, yeah, I will definitely recommend anyone, or what we can say, suggest anyone to go in a startup, or at least they should do one internship, because the internship might get converted into your job opportunity. So I have personally experienced this, when we used to talk with our friends, like what they are doing with their careers. So I personally saw a few of the cases where internship got converted into job opportunities.
Right,
So this will be my suggestion to any aspirant of data analyst. If they are unable to get a job, start with a internship with low stipend for next few months, for 2 months, 3 months. Get a
hmm,
certificate, get a experience, gather requirements, what a startup need, what a company need, get those skills. Like SQL we are using, apart from this BI tools, and uh, Excel ka tool, or like Google Sheets. So SQL is also used for data extraction. So get to know about what the company are using, what are their requirements. Then enhance your skill set, and then you can get a better opportunities, what I believe.
right, right. Okay. Amazing. Sounds good. Uh, Thank you so much again, Nikhil. You come on this call and let us know your experience, because from this experience, a lot of students will, who are aspiring to become a data analyst, who has some kind of, doubts in mind whether they should pursue this career or not, might get a lot of help after watching this video. So thank you so much again for joining this call, and you have a lovely rest of the day, Nikhil.
Thank you, Ashish sir.
Yeah,
Have a nice day.
yeah.